Oliver.
Good job.
Oliver. Leave him alone, dude. Oliver. Psst, psst. Hey, boy. Whoa, don't do that. You want tacos? You want ice cream? Ham? Tacos?
Ham.
Transition.
Transition.
Joshua? Yeah. I told you to put the carrots away. What about the lettuce on top of the trash can? That's not sanitary at all. That's a trash can. And you're smiling. It's not funny. Fix it. You should have never put food on top of a trash can. Transition. Hey, Oliver.
Huh?
Say hi.
Huh?
Say hello. You say, Oliver, say I love you.
Once ready and okay.
Hey, are you guys ready for dinner?
Yes. Abigail, stop.
Aubrey, are you ready to eat?
That's what I took some of my toys.
Abigail, you ready to eat? Are you sure? How sure?
Oliver, you want to eat?
Mom!